Hello guys, welcome back to LoDe Life in the UK channel. Today we will be cooking jasmine rice and basmati rice, and we will show you how to cook delicious rice meals. Now we will cook the jasmine rice first, and then we will cook the basmati rice to see how different they are. And we use the rice cooker to cook rice today. As you can see, the jasmine rice is transparent. To get 2 bowls of cooked rice for 4 people, we use 2 cups of jasmine rice. Now, we must rinse the rice well before cooking. Add the water to the rice and squeeze like this. The rice is rubbing against each other to clean them from the rice dust and other substances. You pour the water away, or you can keep it to water plants like I do. Add the clean water again and squeeze with the lighter force because the rice has absorbed the water now and it is very easy to break. Continue in adding water and rinsing rice about 3 or 4 times. In the past, when the farmers grew rice naturally without using pesticides and fertilizers in the field, the rice water were used by women to wash their faces to whiten and smooth their face skin. But nowadays, we should not use the rice water to wash our faces anymore. We can use the rice water to feed plants instead. According to my grandmother's rice growing experience, she said, transparent rice becomes soft and sticky after cooking. Meanwhile, white rice absorbs more water than the transparent rice and becomes fluffy and soft with more volume after cooking. Now we should just stir gently and pour away the water. The rice is lean, you can see. Then we add water into the bowl to cook. The amount of water to add in the rice bowl is about 1.2 centimeters from the surface of the rice. The amount of the water can be increased or decreased depending on the type of rice. Put in the cooker. Put the lid on. Press the cook button. While the water in the rice cooker is boiling, we open the lid and gently stir with chopsticks. Stir gently up to make the rice cook evenly. Do not stir a lot. About 10 minutes after the warm button is turned on, we should stir the rice up again. A minute later, the cooked rice can be served. You can see that the rice plumps even. They are soft and a bit sticky. When it is cool, the rice is not dry, very suitable for the elderly. We can use this rice to make sushi, but it can't be compared with specialized rice to make sushi. Now, we will cook the basmati rice. You can see the rice seeds have a milky white color that is different from jasmine rice that is transparent. To get 2 bowls of cooked rice, a cup and a half are used instead of 2 cups of jasmine. The rice must also be rinsed as the same way as the jasmine rice. The amount of water we use with basmati rice is a little different. The amount of water to add into the rice bowl is about 1.8 centimeters from the surface of the rice. Put in the cooker. We press the cook button. When the water in the rice cooker boils, we stir the rice up so that each rice seed is soaked in the water and cooked evenly. After the yellow light is on 10 minutes, we use chopsticks to stir the rice. A minute later, the cooked rice is very delicious. As you can see, the cooked rice is soft, fluffy, and not sticky. This rice is a bit rice when it's cool, but the rice is spongy, so it's very suitable for making fried rice.